Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of polynomials. This is the 10th practice question in the polynomial series. There is a lot of theory and 9 practice questions before this. I will strongly urge you to go back and refer to those previous videos as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. This is an NCERT question. Let's start solving this one. Since we have solved many questions wherein we found the alpha and beta first, this time let us find the zeros first. Okay, the question says find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros. So let's first find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Slightly change the direction this time. So the question is f of x is equal to 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. Okay, so let me first actually bring it to its standard form, which is 6x squared. And since I have to find the zeros, let me equate this to 0. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. And if this is equal to 0, then it will be 6x squared minus of 9x plus 2x minus of 3 equal to 0. If you don't understand how and why did I break it in exactly these two terms, that means you are actually weak in factorization. I will urge you to go back and watch the entire playlist of the factorization series. The link to that is also the link to that playlist is also down there in the description. Now remember, factorization is something that we studied in class 9th, and going further, this is how maths is going to work, which is you study a concept and then you build upon it further. So what you study in one chapter or one class is going to become a tool for another chapter or another class. Okay, so if I take 3x common from here, it becomes 3x multiplied by 2x minus 3. Okay, and if I take plus 1 common, it becomes 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And this whole thing will become 2x minus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if I equate this with 0, I get x equal to 3 by 2. And if I equate this part with 0, I get x equal to minus of 1 by 3. So my alpha and beta are alpha is equal to 3 by 2, one of the roots, and beta is equal to minus of 1 by 3, the other root. Now look at this carefully. If I add alpha plus beta, what I get is 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 3, which becomes equal to 6, and this becomes equal to 9 minus this becomes equal to 2, which is equal to 7 by 6. So alpha plus beta is 7 by 6. Similarly, my alpha beta is 3 by 2 multiplied by minus of 1 by 3. The 3 gets cancelled by 3, and what I get is minus of 1 by 2. Now let us verify whether we are getting the same sum of the roots 7 by 6 and alpha beta product of the roots as minus of 1 by 2 by the coefficient method. Now again, before applying the coefficient method here, I want to first convert this into standard form. Okay, so my f of x will actually be 6x square minus of 7x minus of 3. I am interchanging the terms here. Now compare this with the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Now compare the terms x square, x with x and constant with constant. You see that the value of a is 6, the value of b is minus of 7, and the value of c is minus of 3. Now the sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta should ideally be equal to minus of b by a, which is equal to minus of minus 7 by a, which is 6, and this is equal to, I'm sorry, my equal to looks more like not equal to, so this will be equal to 7 upon 6. And similarly, the product of the roots is equal to alpha beta. It should ideally be equal to c by a, which is equal to minus of 3 by 6, which is equal to minus of 1 upon 2. Now you see this minus of 1 upon 2 matches this minus 1 upon 2, and this 7 by 6 matches this 7 by 6. So we found the zeros, okay, which is 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3, and we have also verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients for a quadratic polynomial. this was the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.